I've seen in Laika's making ofs a special allen keys, these ones, that I think will improve a lot, tightening all the screws and assembling them. And I don't know where to find them, but I'm sure that Laika makes them, because this has the logo. Also here in another picture I have this one that it's similar, but this part is too large, and also this is too thin to try to screw too thin, and doing that doesn't work. So for me this is the right size, and something like this will work, with a hole here for passing this key, and a space here to click, and I will insert here the logo. Boop, boop, boop. So will be something like 35 by 25. This time I will use a 3D printing machine to make it in plastic. So this is the cut I've drawn, and I will make the same part in different colors, one to match each Allen key, and of course each one has a different size to click in the superior part. And that's how it looks, my version of Laika's Allen key. Scrap pieces of aluminium. great. Then I've tested both plastic and metal ones, and my choice are the metal ones for two reasons. First, this size is too big for me. I think it's not really comfortable in your hand, and this one it's nicer, and yeah, and also because you can see here that this part has a little crack, so plastic has its limitations. And yeah, this is because I try different materials and experiment a little. You need to make some mistakes to get the best, so happy with this.